Hello, my name is Philip Farrell. This is my wife Kathy.
Hi.
We own and operate a 160-acre apple farm in the mid-Hudson Valley, Columbia County, New York, about an hour south of Albany. I've been trading now for about 11 years. Back in early 2005, I was obsessively interested in VantagePoint software. At that time, they were a futures and financials program only. I was intrigued by the 80% accurate forecasting abilities of the software. I kept on visiting the website and I spoke to the staff repeatedly. After a short while, I was convinced with my research that their method of using leading indicators was simplistic, and I found afterwards that 80% accuracy was modest. I have personally found it to be 85 to 90, sometimes more than 90, depending on what market it is. Better, you know. Prior to 2005, I would allot myself a $5,000 per year budget for trading commodity futures. Unfortunately, from 1999 when I started to 2004, by mid-April to sometimes June, my account would be completely exhausted. So with my tail between my legs, I was out of the trading business, reluctantly, for the remainder of the year. I stuck to my $5,000 budget. So, after researching VantagePoint, I was very excited and very positive about the future of my trading. I wanted to purchase the software, but being on a farmer's budget, I consulted my wife about the purchase.
I've always supported my husband's investment decisions, but future trading as I knew it was a risky business. I was very skeptical about the purchase of the software. I saw my husband go through his allotment of investment capital every year since 1999. I felt that the money would be better spent on a house or a vacation. However, I knew my husband was very positive about the software, and I supported him. My husband's first trade with the new software was a winner. Several times a week, I would hear, "Hey, I made $300, I made $500. I'd get phone calls while I was at the gym or at my mother's or while out shopping.
In a month's time, I more than doubled my account. I actually made a withdrawal. Needless to say, we did fix the house, we did go on vacation, and when VantagePoint came out with the additional categories on stocks, Forex, ETFs, there were no further questions or discussions. My wife and myself agreed that it would be a perfect investment. It was, and it still is. It is a wonderfully accurate method, and I say method, not a system, of trading stocks, ETFs, Forex, futures, and futures options with positive consistency. For me, VantagePoint is the most reliable and simple method on the planet. It is currently working for me, and I employ it in its most simplest form. I will honestly say that VantagePoint has been very good to me, and I will not trade without it. In closing, I would like to tell you that VantagePoint is worth the investment, and I would like to tell you that VantagePoint, by trading, is for life. Good luck.